Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a dust-free zone and positioning the iPhone face up. This reduces particles that ruin adhesion. Once done, remove your case and power the phone so it won't lock mid-install. Use a microfiber cloth and the alcohol wipe to clean screen, then dry and inspect under light. Dust stickers catch tiny specks. Make sure alignment tools are nearby. This first setup speeds the rest and prevents redoing the whole job. You now lift the protector backing partially and hold it by the edges to avoid fingerprints. This keeps adhesive clean. Once the top or bottom edge is aligned with the phone's bezels and camera cutout, lower the protector slowly. Alignment first, then contact. Press the center lightly and slide a card or soft squeegee outward. This forces bubbles and adhesive to spread evenly. If you see misalignment, lift carefully and realign immediately to avoid trapping dust. You finish by peeling the top film and pressing all edges firmly for 30 to 60 seconds to secure bonding. This prevents lifting later. If a tiny bubble remains, give it a day or two. Air often disperses by itself. If a speck or large bubble persists, use a dust sticker to lift the protector at that spot, remove the particle, then reseal. Make sure to replace the protector if adhesive is contaminated. Proper adhesion matters for touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.